Hello friends, welcome to Bright Baby Story YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe my channel. In this video you will learn 20 wild animals, named for kids. And at the end of this video, we have a little quiz for you to check how much you have learned. So, let's start. No. 1. Monkey. A monkey is a small animal that lives in trees. Monkeys like to eat bananas, and they can swing from branch to branch very easily. Because their hands are strong, and they have long arms, they make great use of their arms and hands for climbing. We have kept some pictures of different types of monkeys, so that you can learn about them. There are many types of monkeys in the world. Some monkeys have red faces, and some have white faces, and black fur. Number 2. Giraffe. A giraffe is an African animal. It has a very long neck and legs. With the help of its long neck, it can reach high trees to eat leaves. Giraffes are very tall, up to 19 feet, and they can run very fast, up to 35 miles per hour. They live in groups led by a strong male giraffe. No. 3. Lion. A lion is a wild animal. It is a very fierce and powerful animal. It has sharp claws and teeth. Lions live in groups called prides. They live in grasslands and deserts. Lions are active at night and they hunt for food. Their favorite food is deer. The lion is the king of the jungle. No. For a zebra. A zebra is an African animal. It has black and white stripes. Zebras live in groups. They eat grass and other plants. Zebras are very fast. They can run up to 40 miles per hour. They can also defend themselves with their strong kicks. No. 5. Leopard. Leopards are found in Africa and Asia. They can be found in many places like jungles and deserts. Leopards are very good at climbing trees. They like to eat deer and monkeys. Leopards are very fast. They can run up to 36 miles per hour. No. 6. Elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals. They have big ears and tusks. They live in groups. They are herbivores, which means they eat plants. They use their tusks to dig for water during the dry season. Number 7. Tiger. Tigers are found in Asia. They live in jungles and grasslands. Tigers are very good swimmers. They are also very good at hiding. Tigers are carnivores, which means they eat meat. They hunt for their food. Number 8. Kangaroo. Kangaroos are found in Australia. They are known for their big feet and muscular tails. Kangaroos are herbivores. They eat grass and other plants. Female kangaroos can carry their babies in their pouches. Number 9. Bear. Bears are found in many parts of the world. They are known for their thick fur and big paws. They like to eat berries, nuts, and honey. There are many types of bears in the world, such as polar bears, panda bears, brown bears, etc. Number 10. Wolf. Wolves are found in many parts of the world. They live in groups called packs. Wolves are carnivores. They like to eat deer and other small animals. Wolves are very good at running. They can run up to 40 miles per hour. Number 11. Fox. Foxes are found in many parts of the world. They are known for their bushy tails. Foxes are carnivores. They like to eat small animals like rabbits and mice. They are also very good at climbing trees. Number 12. Deer. Deer are found in many parts of the world. They are known for their big eyes and long legs. They eat grass and other plants. Deer are very fast. They can run up to 50 miles per hour. Number 13. Rabbit. Rabbits are found in many parts of the world. They are known for their long ears and short tails. They are herbivores. They eat grass and vegetables. Rabbits can be kept as pets. Number 14. Dog. Dogs are found all over the world. They are domesticated animals, which means they live with humans. They are known for their loyalty and intelligence. Dogs can be kept as pets. There are many breeds of dogs in the world. Number 15. Cat. Cats are found all over the world. Like dogs, they are also domesticated animals. They are known for their soft fur and sharp claws. They can climb trees very easily. Number 16. Horse. Horses are found all over the world. They are domesticated animals. They are known for their speed and strength. People ride horses and use them for transportation. Number 17. Chicken. Chickens are found all over the world. They are domesticated animals. They are raised for their meat and eggs. Chickens can be kept as pets. Number 18. Cow. Cows are found all over the world. They are domesticated animals. They give us milk, which we can drink. They are also raised for their meat. Number 19. Pig. Pigs are found all over the world. They are domesticated animals. They are raised for their meat. Pigs are very intelligent animals. Number 20. Duck. Ducks are found all over the world. They are known for their webbed feet and flat bills. They can swim very well. Ducks are very good at hiding their eggs. Now, let's check how much you have learned. We will ask you 5 questions. If you answer all the questions correctly, you will get a certificate. Let's start. Question No. 1. Which animal is known for its black and white stripes? A. Zebra, B. Giraffe, C. Lion, D. Monkey. Question No. 2. Which animal is the largest land animal? A. Elephant, B. Bear, C. Tiger, D. Wolf. Question No. 3. Which animal is the king of the jungle? A. Lion, B. Zebra, C. Leopard, D. Monkey. Question No. 4. Which animal can be found in Australia? A. Giraffe, B. Kangaroo, C. Elephant, D. Monkey. Question No. 5. Which animal gives us milk? A pig, B. Horse, C. Cow, D. Dog. If you have got all the answers right, then congratulations! You have passed the test. Here is your certificate. You can take a screenshot of this frame. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe so that we can make you wise and not old. See you in the next video.